CGM market finished 2023 as a $10 billion market. It's dominated by two main players. We're not looking to replace those two main players, but we are looking to provide a solution for patients who are looking for something more, something better to manage their disease with, better CGM to improve their quality of life. We're actually developing an implantable device based upon years of implantable device and CGM experience. It's a huge market. We're not trying to displace Dexcom. Basically, there's enough patients who are dissatisfied. They want something different, and the market research shows that. We're there to offer that solution because the market players that are there, they're not innovating in this direction. They're just making more of the same. We want to bring what the users really want based upon the actual patient feedback, and that's what we're offering as a solution. And that's why we think it will be successful, because there will be enough patients in this huge market that we can take a fraction of the pie. Patient feedback is that the top 6 complaints that patients have, 5 of those are because the device is wearable. They relate to the wearability of the device in one form or another. It's either due to the fact that the device is uncomfortable, or they're worried about it falling off, or it's too big, or it doesn't last long enough. One form or another, it's a wearability issue. We have a solution that is implantable. And not only is it implantable for a few months, but it's actually implantable for 3 years. And we think that offering that solution to patients is a type of innovation that a good subset of the market is looking for and wanting, and yet the major players are continuing to scale with their existing platforms.